Welcome back, hope you guys doing great. Here's a breakdown of the main differences between CachyOS and EndeavorOS, based on recent information. 1. Philosophy and approach. EndeavorOS positions itself as a user-friendly gateway to Arch Linux, providing a GUI installer, helpful defaults, and an Arch-like experience. Its philosophy. Plain vanilla Arch, but easier to install. CachyOS, in contrast, aims to be Arch on steroids. It's packed with aggressive performance optimizations, custom kernels, schedulers, and CPU-specific compiled packages, geared especially for gamers and power users. 2. Kernel and scheduler optimizations. CachyOS features its own optimized kernels, e.g., Linux CachyOS, Bohr, etc., with custom CPU schedulers like Bohr, EEVDF, BMQ, all built for responsiveness and low latency. They also include advanced CPU compiler flags, AutoFDO, PGO, LTO, and Zen 4 support. EndeavorOS uses the stock Arch kernel, without additional scheduler tweaks or compiler optimizations. 3. Repositories and package management. CachyOS maintains its own repositories with CPU-optimized builds x86-64v3, v4, targeted to AVX 512-enabled systems, and adds proprietary tools like CachyOS Hello, and a performance-focused browser. EndeavorOS primarily relies on Arch's official repositories, plus a minimal, EndeavorOS, repo for installer tools and theming. It stays closer to vanilla Arch. 4. Installation experience and preconfigured tools. CachyOS offers both GUI, Calamares-based, and CLI installers, with many options, bootloader choices, file systems, DAI like KDE, GNOME, XFCE, i3, Wayfire, etc. It includes additional tools like system tweakers and gaming profile toggles. EndeavorOS provides a graphical Calamares installer with sensible defaults, mirror ranking, included AUR helper, and a welcoming interface, but avoids excessive customization. 5. Performance. Benchmarks versus real-world use. Benchmarks show that while CachyOS sometimes outperforms EndeavorOS in certain workloads, 30% of tests overall, performance is similar to EndeavorOS, Fedora, and Ubuntu, not a huge leap. Only Clear Linux consistently outperformed them all in Fornix tests. Real-world feedback is mixed. Some users report improved responsiveness, faster boot times, and better handling of low-memory scenarios. Others say performance gains are negligible in daily use, and setup complexity or custom configs outweigh benefits. 6. Community and stability. EndeavorOS has a larger, more mature community and is generally considered stable and welcoming, great for learning Arch without breakage. CachyOS, being newer, has a smaller user base. Some users raised concerns regarding rough edges, aggressive updates, and community culture. Quick comparison table. Feature aspect EndeavorOS CachyOS. Base vanilla Arch plus light enhancements Arch with full performance tuning. Kernel standard Arch kernel custom optimized kernels Bohr, etc. Repo setup official Arch plus small custom repo dedicated optimized repos x86-64v4, Zen 4. Installer Calamares, minimal extra tools GUI, CLI installer, many DAI and system tools. Performance bench standard slight gains in some tasks. Performance real world stable, expected mixed, noticeable only in certain scenarios. Stability and community stable, mature, friendly community newer, more volatile, smaller community. Final thoughts. Choose EndeavorOS if you want a stable, minimal, and Arch-like experience, with ease of install and a strong, beginner-friendly community. Choose CachyOS if you're looking for maximum performance, especially for gaming or low-latency tasks, don't mind custom repos and kernels, and you're comfortable tweaking deeper settings, or just curious to try Arch Accelerated. Let me know if you'd like help choosing a desktop environment or testing out CachyOS's performance tools.